Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm here to do an unboxing of my brand new Michael Kors purse. It just got here. It is still in its like packaging box right now. So this is like legit unboxing. Opening it up. So excited. See what we got here. Oh, so pretty. I love when they come in the little gift wrapping. So now that I've gotten it out of its box, you see that it's just nicely gift wrapped. I love the gift wrapping. I feel like it's so cute. Then I have a little card here from my fiance. Probably something sweet. Aww, you are the most amazing part of my life. I love you, baby. So sweet. Look at me. He's so sweet. I love you too. Okay. And thanks. So, I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So, first thing I see is that there's nice tissue wrapping in here also. So my purse is hidden. I cannot see it yet. Take that off. Got it nice in a little packaging here. This is very protected. Like, so not only did I have the cardboard box, the gift wrap, and now it's in this also. I love that. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So first of all, it feels like a nice, cute little size. I am peeking at the color. I can see it right here, but it's gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it. This is beautiful. So the first thing that comes to my mind is like wine. I feel like this is going to be like a beautiful color. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up. So this is just gorgeous. Very pretty. It's like in between a red and a purple. So it's like a perfect little color. The color Mulberry. So I really like the color Mulberry a lot. I think it's beautiful. So let's go ahead and get this strap undone so we can check that out. See what that's looking like. There's a lot going on here. So the way that it was sent, they sent the strap like with this part undone and then with this part undone so that I can like select how long I want it to be, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm not very tall, so I usually put mine in the strap that will make it the shortest, especially crossbodies like this. So I've gotten my strap all situated and I just kind of wanted to go over how the color of this bag looks. So this is the color Mulberry. I have this exact Jet Set large crossbody in the color olive. I love that one so much. I did do a full like review unboxing on that one. So if you're looking for that, you can get the link below for that one. For this one, I want to go more into detail about how this color looks. I know I hadn't seen it before. I'm not sure if it's one of the like colors that it's going to be new or something that they're just trying out to see how it goes. But this color is absolutely beautiful. Basically what you're seeing is what you get. It is like a wine color, so in the red family, but it's not too bright, it's not too dark. It's gonna go perfect like for those events where you want to have a pop of color. Maybe you like to match your lip like I do, I don't know, but this bag is gonna be perfect for that. It will be perfect like for Valentine's Day if you have like a little nice little sexy outfit that you're wanting to wear. You can just throw this with it, and then it's not like super heavy. You know, you don't have to worry about like something weighing down your arm all night if you're going to do something fun. This is just a beautiful bag. I love it. I love the straps. I've got the strap secured on here. So as you can see, I've just adjusted it like to the amount that I wanted it to be adjusted. And then I love the little signature on these bags. gold chain link here. I just feel like that's gorgeous and a really, really pretty detail of it, because for whatever reason, I just feel like it really makes the color pop more. But the size of the bag, so let's jump into that. I'll go ahead and open it up to show you guys. Nice space in there. But I just wanted to come and talk about the mulberry color for anybody that might be uncertain or on the fence about it. The mulberry color is gorgeous, and if you want it, you should get it. Go ahead and snag it, because this is a beautiful, beautiful color. I love it. It's perfect for fall or for special events or for whenever you want to wear it. But I just wanted to come and unbox this and kind of show you guys what the color looks like. But that's it for now. Bye.